Stewie. Stewie, why isn't my microwave working, Stewie? Stewie! Wake up!
What?
Did you do something to my microwave? It's not working.
Yeah, I broke the buttons. You have to use the popcorn button for everything.
But this isn't popcorn.
The other buttons don't work. You have to use the popcorn one.
But I'm heating up egg rolls. Stewie!
What?
What am I supposed to do with these egg rolls?
Why are you eating egg rolls for breakfast?
I don't know.
Look, just stick them in the microwave and hit the popcorn button.
Is that safe for egg rolls?
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah.
Have you tried it?
Yes.
With an egg roll?
Yes.
When?
Yesterday.
I didn't have egg rolls yesterday.
Well, I went to the egg roll store and I bought them and I brought them here.
There's an egg roll store.
Yes, very good.
I'm actually impressed.
Good.
Why did you break my microwave?
I didn't mean to. I just pushed the buttons too hard.
Well then, why does the popcorn button still work?
Because I wasn't making popcorn.
Well, neither am I.
Oh, Jeffrey, if you're so worried about it, just stick it in the oven.
That'll take like 3 years.
Then eat it cold.
Sick. Hey. Is that gonna be too hot?
No.
Okay. Okay. Thanks.
See?